Poland is a fantastic place to live, work, and build a future. Whether you're looking for a better job opportunities, a high quality of life, or an affordable cost of living, Poland has something for everyone. With a strong economy, access to EU job market, and a growing demand for skilled workers, is an ideal destination for professionals and entrepreneurs alike. Plus, you'll enjoy great healthcare, a rich culture, and a central location in Europe. Stay tuned as I break down everything you need to know about immigrating to Poland. Hello everyone, this is Misha. Today we'll talk about how to obtain permanent residency in Poland, covering the requirements, process, and key considerations for both EU and non-EU nationals. For those planning to stay in Poland for more than 3 months, obtaining a temporary residency permit is the first step. This permit is granted for reasons such as employment, studies, or family reunification. Applications must be submitted in person at the relevant regional office before your current legal stay expires. The required documents include a completed application form, a valid passport, recent photographs, and proof of the purpose of stay, such as an employment contract or university acceptance letter. The temporary residence permit can be obtained in a few months and is valid for up to 3 years. Keep in mind that it can also be renewed. The work visa in Poland allows individuals to live and work legally in the country. To apply, a job offer from a Polish employer is required, and the employer must obtain a work permit on behalf of the applicant before they apply for the visa. A student visa in Poland allows individuals to study at a Polish university or educational institution. To apply, students need an acceptance letter from a recognized school, proof of funds to cover tuition and living expenses, healthcare insurance, and a valid passport. The family reunification visa in Poland allows family members to join a relative who is legally residing in the country. It is typically for spouses, children, and sometimes parents or those who hold a temporary or permanent residence permit or long-term EU resident status. To apply, the resident in Poland must show stable income, health insurance, and suitable accommodation. The visa usually leads up to temporary residence permits, valid for up to 3 years. For those looking to start or run a business, a temporary residence permit business is required. This permit is granted if the business shows economic benefits, such as generating profit and creating jobs. It is usually issued for 1 to 3 years and can lead to permanent residency after 5 years. Poland does not have a specific freelance visa, but freelancers can apply for a temporary residence permit business if they register as sole proprietors, self-employed, or established company. To qualify, they must prove their business is active, financially stable, and beneficial to the Polish economy. Achieving permanent residency in Poland offers several benefits, including the rights to work without additional permits and access to social services. Non-EU nationals typically need to have lived in Poland continuously for at least 5 years under a valid temporary residence permit. This period must be uninterrupted, meaning that any absences should not exceed the allowed limits. EU nationals can apply for permanent residency after an uninterrupted stay of 5 years, and their process is usually more straightforward due to the EU's freedom of movement policies. Holding a permanent residence permit in Poland provides many advantages, including the right to work without additional permits and access to public education and healthcare. Also, it offers eligibility for certain social benefits, freedom of movement within the Schengen area for short stays, and increased stability for long-term residents. Obtaining permanent residency in Poland requires careful preparation and compliance with all legal requirements. If you need help obtaining your visa or starting a business in Poland, you can always rely on our lawyers. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.